Akiaria hindi ya mambura macio ma Ohwo na etikia kanitha wa SDA, munini wa kamishina njera-ini iyo ya Kiambu Muiga ni acokirie etikia kanitha ucio ngatho ni kugia na icera ria kurumbuiyia Ohwo na kumatuga na indo ngurani undu umwe na kumateithiriria kurunga mitugo.
We are celebrating and we are very happy about them because of choosing Kiambu prison. There are many prisons but they chose to come to Kiambu. They have been having a 2-week seminar with the inmates and the members of staff. They have been teaching the word of God.
Ohwo Muiga ni oritie muingi kuhimbiria Ohwo acio uria matarie amu makoragwo magumirwo ni mathina ngurani mari njera iria kaingi macungagiriria kugia na riciria ria kwiruta muoyo niguo marekererio.
Because they are the ones who propagated their coming, should also accept them as human beings. We have witnessed so many inmates after release, they are hacked to death by some of the communities there. So I would request the community to accept these inmates because after releasing, they are already rehabilitated and they are ready to live the normal life like Kenya citizens.
Undu uyu ni wiyukitio na njira nene ni etikia kanitha uyu makiuga mambiririe mubango uyu mwaka-ini wa 2009 itanya ri gucenjia miturire na kurunga mitugo ya Ohwo na njira ya kumahunjiria undu umwe na kumateithiriria kunina kieha na ihoru riria mari njera.
It's like we sacrifice. The truth that we have is what we share. And then when you go to churches, at least you tell church members to give them, to donate a few coins or jobs and all that, and then you share with them.
Seen members, the inmates, happy with what we are doing, and they have given their life to God. We baptized 94, and there are 14 now who want to be baptized again. So we want to thank God for what we are doing. God has helped us to, because what we are doing is not us, it's God who is doing it.
Damaris Muge augite Ohwo ya marekererio kioho kia ugiathira kanitha uyu ni ukamarumirira niguo kumateithiriria na kigina ya kumahotithia kwiyukiriria kimuturire.
We escort them to their churches, the one that they've decided to join. After that, we give them a capital to start business, and then we follow them day by day to see if they have completely changed. Maugite ni matanyite gukorwo magicerera njera ingi guku bururi-ini niguo gutigirira Ohwo ni maikara miturire miega na Ohwo mahote kuigua ta andu aria angi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV Getwo Waithira wa Kihara.